Well, hey guys, welcome to another installment of the Furnace Road Railway. In this stream we will look over some random scenes, new additions to the layout, and some cool trains that have never been seen or have been overlooked. Enjoy! To supply the needed amount of electrical power, I utilized a Lionel CW80 watt AC transformer for track power. But I also must use a 17 volt plug-and-play 3-way cord to power up my connected Menards accessories on a grounded surge protector for an added safety measure. Now with my Lionel Legacy command controlled units, I use my Lionel Legacy 990 set system with my wireless cab 2 remote and charging base system. Complementing this scene is my newly acquired PS-5 gondola, tattooed in graffiti, connected to my workhorse engine, my backlamp steel genset switcher on this dead-end spur. In this next scene are fully animated track crew workers, which looks like they're mending up an inactive section of rail. Okay, this corner section layout was on purposely left bare, but features both a vintage-like Support Our Troops campaign decorated road sign with trial lights, plus an abandoned rail box 60-inch boxcar in the backscape. Okay, here are my two hopper cars of two different sizes. One is covered in coal and coke dust, and the other is tagged in vandalism. Check it out. Depicted here is a hazmat safety training boxcar converted into a mobile classroom for educating first responders and personnel. Okay, depicted here is my simulated Oak Point nuclear power station industry. It features a reservoir pond, a stationary dozer with added worker, and my Menards O-scale reactor built up with flashing lights within the inset of this clip. I would personally like to thank my supporters, my viewers, and my subscribers, and all who view this channel, because it's you who make this channel so very great. Thank you all very much. Anyways, bye guys.